Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today I have for you another mailbag day. Only 4 packages this time, but interesting stuff. So let's not waste any more time and let's start unpacking. Let me put this away, and we will start with this small one. Okay, so what we have here are 2 adapters for the power supply and for the oscilloscope. The idea behind these adapters is to connect to the power supply, positive and negative, and connect a BNC cable to analyze the power supply signal. In this one is precisely the inverse. We have a BNC to 2 banana plugs, so we can connect to power supply or anywhere else. I was missing these adapters. They will be useful for my test, so yeah, okay. So next we have here something that I decided to buy. Let me show you. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, moving on. This is a soldering tip iron thermometer. I will receive soon some new soldering irons, and yeah, this will be useful to compare the temperature of the soldering tip to see if their performance is really what they announce. So in the package we have the FG100 soldering tip iron tip thermometer. We have also some I don't know how they call this, but they are small epsilon triangles to connect in here, and that's where you test the temperature. We have also a small English instructions, quick start notes. As you can see, we have here the soldering tip, and we put these wires in here so we can test it. Yeah, it's included already a 9 volts battery. Nice touch. And also the instructions in Chinese. Doesn't matter. This one, and yeah, I will review this one on the channel very soon, because I want to do a review before I get the new soldering irons that will arrive. And yeah, very nice. Let's move on. Today I have few stuff, but some interesting ones. Let me just open this. Okay, this one was sent by STM for review. Okay, so what do we have here? This is sent by STM, the processor manufacturer. It's the STM Nucleo 144. They sent me this for review. Thank you very much. And this will have its own review. Okay, so let me show you what's inside this package. I think I can open this without breaking anything. Let me see. Yeah, let me just take this out. This is the Nucleo board from STM. This is a 32-bit board. It has a very nice specifications. It uses ARM Cortex. Okay, let me show you. Let's see if I can get focus in here. Yep. So this is a very nice board. We have here ARM Cortex 7 processor, M7 processor, 480 megahertz, and 2 megabytes of flash with 1 megabyte of SRAM. So this is a very nice board. As I told you before, they sent this for review. I will review this on the electronics channel, and very soon, because this is something that was sent especially for review, so I will do it fast. And yeah, very nice. Thank you, STM. Let's move on. And the last one, I was wanting to buy one of these for quite some time now. This is not new. It's the... Let me show you. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is the Wainlux GL4 laser printer. I don't know why the menu is opening in this side, because it's a flyer. Okay, this is a quick guide to start and assembling instructions. I will not assemble this now. I will review this later. Just let's see what's on the box. We have here the software for download with a QR code, some screws and nuts. Yeah. We have goggles, some glasses, and I want to see this one. Yeah, this is the 20 watts laser module. Well, this is not the 20 watts, because 20 watts it's the consumed energy. This is only 5.5 watts. Even so, it will be a very nice addition. I want to mainly use this, of course, for some carving and also some PCB etching by laser. So I'm pretty pumped up to try this out. We have here some more cables, USB cable, power cable, a USB pen, a brush. I don't know what this is for, but I will read it on the instructions, and some wood for testing. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I will test this after. So yeah, stay put, don't forget to see it, the review and what I intend to do with it. Okay, that's it, what I had for you today. I hope that you liked. If this video was in any way useful to you, don't forget, give a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. That's it, stay safe. I see you again in my next video. Cheers.